transformation of the front of the house, the homeowners have decided to invest in some new garage doors, and that's not a bad thing since we have new radiators installed and they want to keep as much of the heat from escaping as possible. And Bob, you're moving right along with the installation.
Yeah, we finished the first one and we're on to the second door.
All right, now the homeowners want to keep the heat in the garage. Are these doors going to do that for them?
Absolutely, Norm. These have an R16 value. It's steel inside and out filled with polyurethane, CFC-free foam to give it the R16 value. And between each section is a double weather seal to stop any air infiltration. The bottom of the door conforms to the unevenness of some floors, seals it up tight.
So do a good job. It looks like you're well underway with the track installation.
Yeah, Danny's just finishing up the back hang, and then we can start stacking the rest of the sections and get this door working also.
Okay. Well, you gotta love these nylon rollers.
Yeah, they reduce the noise considerably.
Okay. All right, last panel. Okay.
So now that we have all the panels in, Danny's going to align the tracks to the door sections, and then we can go on to the next step. All right, so the next step would be to tighten up the end bearings for the torsion spring setup. Then we will attach the center bearing support, and then put the cables on the drums and wind the springs. So Danny is winding the spring the 8.5 turns that the manufacturer recommends to counterbalance the weight of the door.
Well, Bob, this is a nice looking garage door opener.
Yeah, this is a 1/2 horsepower unit, belt driven.
Yeah, no chain.
Yeah, it's a cogged steel reinforced belt with a lifetime warranty, and they're very, very quiet and maintenance free.
That's great.
Hey Danny, we're going to use this new bracket that the manufacturer designed because the ceiling height is just right for it.
And it's a lot cleaner looking than a bunch of angle iron.
Yeah, that's right. Now Danny's attaching the trolley operator arm to the door. Now he's wiring the motor for the control panel on the wall and the safety photo eyes.
Right, now safety photo eyes are very important. They've been around for a long time. If a pet or a small child gets under the door when it's closing, it's going to reverse.
Correct. And Norm, when it finally stops raining, we'll be able to put the decorative hardware on the outside of the door.
All right, you get some strap hinges, and you're even going to put a door knocker on to make it look authentic. And I guess with this finish, it should hold up really well over the years. You know what? It's starting to feel warm in here already. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.